Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu has today told the court that he has been unable to carry out his functions on account of orders barring accessing his office within Kiambu County. And Olive Barrows has been following up that story very closely, and we understand that his advocate Tom Ojenda has told the court that it is tantamount to sacking and violating the constitution, which spells out the procedure for the removal of a governor. Maybe just give us more details of exactly some of the issues that have been raised. And following the proceedings, I also understand that he is not the only governor who's argued his case before the Court of Appeal this morning.
Yes, Zainab, well, he wasn't the only governor. The first up was the Samburu governor, Moses Lenolkulal. But back to Waititu, well, the Court of Appeal has just finished hearing his arguments, his appeal, and declined to issue interim orders allowing him back to office. So he has to wait for December the 20th for the court to deliver its substantive ruling. It will also be delivering a ruling on Moses Lenolkulal's appeal. Now, what has transpired in court is that the advocates for Lenolkulal and for Waititu, that is Tom Ojenda and Paul Nyamodi, have advanced their arguments as to why it is unconstitutional to effectively suspend a governor. They say that the procedure for removing a governor from office is clearly stipulated in the constitution, and therefore High Court judges Mumbi Ngugi and Grace Ngenya acted illegally or unconstitutionally by allowing the governors or upholding the magistrate court's stipulation that the governors should stay away from the county offices as they could interfere with investigations and how the trial, or rather their trials, proceed if they're allowed access to witnesses and county documents. If you recall, Ferdinand Waititu is accused of receiving 52 million shillings in a kickback for awarding a 588 million shilling road construction contract, while Moses Lenolkulal is accused of receiving 80 million through conflict by selling fuel to his own county. Now, the latest as far as Lenolkulal's trial is concerned is that accounts linked to Oryx Limited have been suspended on application by the EACC. He's also not allowed to transact any business with his prime property in Karen until that trial or that matter is concluded. The EACC wants to reclaim the property or seize the property, saying it is property that was acquired using the proceeds of crime. Now, as I said, the judgment both in Lenolkulal and Waititu's appeals will be delivered on December the 20th. So far, no interim orders allowing them to access their offices, apart from Moses Lenolkulal, who's allowed to access his office through when he's being supervised by the EACC. Waititu says he is a persona non grata in the county of Kiambu, and he says he cannot therefore set foot in the county. That's why he applied for interim orders allowing him access and allowing him to transact county business. Now, yesterday he was ranked as the worst performing governor. He says ever since that particular ruling was delivered, or rather the High Court upheld the magistrate court's decision that he should not be allowed to access office, or stands suspended effectively, that has prohibited him or kept him away from his office, and therefore he's been unable to effectively carry out the functions of governor. And that is why he applied for those interim orders and unsuccessfully. He was in court since the trial started, since the hearing started at 9:30 a.m. this morning. So Zainab, that's all we have for you so far. I will see you later.